Imagine a world where streets clean themselves, no emissions, no noise, just pure efficiency. Well, that future is here, and it's called Trombia Free. Trombia Free is an autonomous, electric, and waterless street cleaning machine that is revolutionizing urban maintenance. Developed by Trombia Technologies, this AI-powered cleaner is designed to tackle dirt, dust, and debris while being environmentally friendly. Let's dive into what makes Trombia Free a game-changer. For autonomous navigation, uses LiDAR and AI for obstacle detection and path planning. 100% electric, runs on batteries, making it emission-free and quiet. Waterless dust control. Unlike traditional sweepers, Trombia Free captures dust without wasting water. Energy efficient, consumes less than 15% of the energy used by conventional street cleaning machines. Here's how it works. Trombia Free scans the surroundings, detects debris, and efficiently sweeps it up, all without human intervention. Its smart technology ensures precise and optimized cleaning routes. Cities worldwide are shifting towards sustainable solutions, and Trombia Free is leading the way. With zero emissions and 95% less water consumption, it's redefining urban cleanliness while reducing environmental impact. As smart cities evolve, autonomous systems like Trombia Free will play a crucial role in creating cleaner, greener, and more efficient urban environments. What do you think about Trombia Free? Could this be the future of urban cleaning?